So guys, welcome to the educational chart analysis video for the day. So yes, today as you guys can see, the Nifty is opening in a bit of a gap down section, but Nifty Pharma here, you can see first 15 minutes candle is formed a big green candle showing a bullish momentum. So we'll see, will this bullish momentum holds on Nifty Pharma or will it come down in the day? So I'll show you the full day analysis. So let's see how the market will perform for today. So I'll be marking the resistance level here. So according to the study, so Nifty Pharma has a resistance somewhere around 20,471. So if that resistance break, we can expect that Nifty Pharma might go up, and Nifty 50 has a support somewhere around 22,600 levels, and the resistance level 22,700 levels is what the study is. So let's see how the market will perform today. So if the support level holds good, then we can expect the market to go up, or if the support level is not holding, then we can expect the Nifty 50 to come down and touch the next support level, where we have somewhere around 22,500 or 22,550 levels, somewhere around there the Nifty 50 might take a support. So anyway, let's see how the market will perform today. And also, as you guys can see here, Nifty Pharma has formed a one big green candle. So you can see here the body is very big, showing that there are a lot of orders which were triggered in the first 15 minutes candle. Okay, so that doesn't mean that the index or anything will keep continue to go up. So if it wants to continue to go up, then we should see that the market will also go up and takes the support. If the market doesn't take the support and go up, then we can expect the Nifty Pharma also to come down. Okay, so as you guys can see here, now the Nifty 50 has not taken the support and it is starting to come down. So let's see overall how it will perform for the day. Okay, so guys, we are analyzing in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so around 22,500 or 22,550 is where the Nifty 50 next support level is. So let's see how the market will perform. And we can see here the second 15 minutes candle in Nifty 50 has formed a big red candle, indicating that there is a seller's pressure in the market. And also you can see that in the right side chart, that is the Nifty Pharma chart, there is no strong green candle as formed above the resistance level which we have marked according to the previous chart history. Okay, so if that resistance level breaks, we can expect that the Nifty Pharma might go up, and also if the Nifty 50 recovers from here, we can expect even the Nifty Pharma to give a support and push the index up. So if that is not being pushed, if the market falls down, then we can expect the Nifty Pharma also to come down and it might not break the resistance. Okay, so that is what the view is right now. So we can see here Nifty 50 is slightly declining, and Nifty Pharma in the resistance level, it is forming a continuous red candle, showing that the sellers are in charge of Nifty 50. Okay, so yes, even the market is coming down and even the pharma index is also coming down. So guys, just by seeing one big red candle or one big green candle, you should not decide your trades. Okay, you should always follow your trade discipline and wait for the setup to form before you take any kind of entries in the trade. And please note, trading does involve risk, so you need to be very careful and manage your risk properly in trading. Okay, so yes, now the market has been come down and it is taking a key support level somewhere close to 22,500. So from there, let's see if the market will go up. So if the market has to go up and become bullish, then it has to break the 22,600 level for today. So if it is not breaking, then the market might continue to come down, is what my view is. So anyway, let's observe for the educational purpose and see how the overall market will be performing for today. So this is my view only. So let's see how the market will perform, and I'll also show you the end of the day chart analysis and we'll discuss about that as well. Okay, so guys, yes, now the time is almost close to 2 o'clock and you can see here Nifty 50 has tried to give a breakout on the resistance level around 12 o'clock, but the buyer support was not enough. So you can see here again, by touching the resistance level of 22,600, the market has again come down. So now it's trading around 22,540 levels, and also Nifty Pharma has not gone above the resistance level, so it has become a bit of a range bounded side and it is slowly declining, as you guys can see here. Okay, So now we can see here the momentum is towards the selling side. Okay, so even in the Nifty Pharma, you can see the index has been declined. So only the first 15 minutes candle went up for the day. Here you can see that the index has been declining. So guys, this is the end of the day chart of Nifty 50. So yes, this is how it has performed for today in a bearish way. So as I showed you in the morning itself, that it was a big gap down opening of almost, you can see here it was a big gap. Okay, and after that you can see how the market has performed. It was in a bearish way. Okay, so it has almost came to the level of 22,520 level, and it has taken a bit of a key support level here at the end, and it has gone up and it has closed somewhere close to 22,548 for today. So the overall market was very bearish. So as I was showing you in the analysis as well, so you can see here it has taken a resistance level around 22,600. From there it has declined. Okay, so overall this is how the market has performed for today. So if you guys have liked this video, do give a like for this video, and also if you are interested in learning the strategies without indicators based on price action, you can contact me on the number displayed on the screen for the more details.